Now we spoke about the meter. There's the meter. This meter here is for the internal temperature of the tube. You will see the temperature on the chiller in Celsius. This is in Fahrenheit. You don't want to let this number go above 85. You don't want to let that number to go above 29 to 30 roughly. But these jog keys here, you want to jog it around and get used to it. And then if you go out over the top of the material and you, like I say, you hit ZU, you will then go arrow down to the U and then use your right and left arrows, and that'll move the platform very close to the nozzle, maybe about an inch away. Then use the gray arrows to arrow back up to where it says autofocus. You hit the bottom of your spindle, and as you put it up, you'll see the little red light go off. If you hit autofocus, the table will come up and touch it. Well, what's critical there is you have to lower the head on Z with the gray buttons here. Lower this down or simply be on ZU and bring the nozzle between the two sensors on the left. Like I say, some of you will not want to try this because you've already completed the pre-installation as far as I know. This is just knowledge that I'm trying to impart upon you, so when I bring it up, then it'll be a little more useful to you. But learn about the Z platform. That's the platform moving up and down. You've tested your pendant. And then you're going to look at the table and make sure the table is not lower on one side than the other. If it is, you're going to call me and I'll walk you through leveling it, or just wait for me, I'll do it. Like I say, you've already burnt your dot. There's also a light that you can turn on the cabinet. All right, thank you.